Hello, I'm Kathryn Newitt. On behalf of Some Product, Microsoft, the MVPs and other technology experts, I'd like to welcome you to Excel Virtually Global 2022, all in aid of charity. Hopefully you've had a chance to look around our website, but allow me to draw your attention to what our event is all about. Microsoft's most valuable professionals, or MVPs, are technology experts who passionately share their knowledge with the community. They're always on the bleeding edge and have an unstoppable urge to get their hands on new, exciting technologies. This virtual conference, now in its 8th year, presents Excel, Data Platform, and PowerPoint MVPs, together with other acknowledged experts from Microsoft and/or around the globe, to present, answer questions, and demonstrate the future of Excel and how it will make your life easier, personally and professionally. Most sessions will be recorded, so you may watch them later with downloads aplenty. There are no medals for staying up to watch the entire event live. So from your own favourite chair, bring a laptop, an inquisitive mind, and your sense of humour. Be prepared to learn heaps. And remember, it's for charity. The presenters have all kindly donated their time to make this as informative and entertaining an event as possible. Therefore, we would be grateful if you could make a donation to a charity of your choice and advise us, preferably in US dollars, how much you pledged, as we would love to keep track and keep you updated. This is an honesty thing. Whatever you do will simply be between you and your conscience. If you would like to let us know what you've donated, then please use this QR code or the bit.ly link underneath it. The link is case sensitive and it's bit.ly/EVG 2022 charity. Thanks for listening and please enjoy Excel Virtually Global 2022.